I'm gonna wave it right back, man. I didn't get it all. I didn't get all your numbers, but I'm gonna wave it right back because I heard your radio in Coney Island. I didn't get all your information because 43 was in there with a big maul in my ear hole. But I heard your radio in Coney Island. I hope you can get back here and put everything in my radio. I hope you can get back here and put everything up in my Coney Island radio. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling. I hear you saying break, man. I'm getting it at the end, man. But you got a whole lot of heterodyning in there with you, man. You got a whole lot of heterodyning in there with you, man. I need you to rise up on the top, man. I need you to clean up my radio if you can. I want you to ride this wave at the Coney Island, man. I'm trying to break some bread this morning. Trinitron9 trying to break some bread this morning. Trinitron9, Coney Island, right there, right now. I was waiting on you, but I didn't get it. I didn't get the return that time. Hello, Trinitron9. I was waiting for you, but I didn't get the return that time around. Hello, I was waiting for you to get it back in my water out here in Coney Island, but I didn't get the return that time around. But I got my ear to the water. I got my ear to the water out here in Coney Island. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, the man in the deep waters of Coney Island. Got down?
Who that talking about Buffalo Soldiers? You better watch yourself, breaker.
Yeah, it was already rough, but it got rough out here in the deep waters of Coney Island. It was already rough out here, but it got a little rough out here in my deep waters of Coney Island. Good morning on the band, good morning. Nobody but Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling. It ain't nobody but Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling. I heard you coming back again. But I guess I'm going to have to wait on my conditions, man. I heard you coming back again, no doubt about it. It is what it is. You know how it goes. But it's all good, and I appreciate the wave, man. I'm just out here trying to break some bread out here in the middle of these deep waters of Coney Island. I'm trying to break a little bread, man. That's all I'm trying to do while I play my water. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And thanks for the comeback. Thanks for the wave, even though it wasn't the best conditions. But I appreciate it. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. That man in the deep waters of Coney Island. Got down?
Hey, Boogie in the woods, 241. Hey, Ricky Shakes, what I guess I got down when you came over, huh? Hey, Buffalo Soldiers, I hear you. Oh, Ricky Shakes. Hey, Corner Matches, well, Gage, don't have all of this. Dr. Good News, I think Gateway City gonna try to let you know. Alright, Corner Mouse, Dr. Good News, Gateway City, do you hear me?
Hello, radio. Who else gonna bring it back to my Coney Island radio? Who else gonna get in my Coney Island water? Trinitron9 testing my water. Trinitron9, Coney Island testing my water.
Yeah, I was gonna get one of them radios, but now I ain't smart enough to turn the run that y'all nigga. Hey, Corner Mouse, talking real good. Listening. Hey, Corner Mouse, talking real good. Just smoking on that instrument. Corner Mouse, just 12 games. Y'all see you have a good day.
Hello, radio. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Hello, radio. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. It ain't nobody but Trinitron9 in my deep waters. Trinitron9 in my deep waters of Coney Island. And I got all the way down.
Trinitron9, Dr. Good News. Hey, Trinitron9, Dr. Good News trying to get the cosmic senpai out of my ears. All right, Trinitron9, Dr. Good News in the Gateway City. Break.
Hey, Dr. Good News, you all up in my Coney Island radio. Good morning, Dr. Good News, you all up in my Coney Island radio. Good morning, my old friend, Dr. Good News. Hope everything's well on your side of town. Dr. Good News, it ain't nobody but Trinitron9, Coney Island, riding my wave and walking on all my water.
Hey, Trinitron9, I heard you doing the get back, man. Said they got rough, man. Some live man took over my receiving. I don't know who the cop nigga was. Hello, once again, Trinitron9. It's been a long time. No hell know how to do this. Trinitron9, you still got a comment, Dr. Good News. Trying to walk it back. Can you hear me?
I can hear you good, man. I can hear you good, but I see you getting your ears plugged. Hey, Dr. Good News, I can hear you good, man, but I see you getting your ears plugged on your side of town. But it's all right. It's all good. Hey, Dr. Good News, it's all right. It's all good. We broke a little piece of bread. That's good enough. Good morning, Dr. Good News. Good morning, Dr. Good News. Your old friend, Trinitron9, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling.
Fine, look on 75 and a half years.
Nah, who else gonna get up in my radio? Trinitron9, I want to ghost talk. I don't want to cross talk. Who else gonna get up in my Coney Island radio? I don't want to ghost talk. I don't want to cross talk. Good morning on the band, Trinitron9, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling.
Okay. Just another day. Okay, all right. Another day. I hope you enjoy this day. You got the good news. Getting on up.
Dr. Good News all up in my Coney Island radio. That Dr. Good News all up in my Coney Island radio. Hello, Dr. Good News is all up in my Coney Island radio. Trinitron9 testing my water. Trinitron9, Coney Island testing my water.
Oh, I can rejoice and be glad, and I can do it either way. No doubt about that. Take care. Back out.
I need another radio clean out. Trinitron9 need another radio clean out. Hello, Trinitron9 need another radio clean out. Hello, radio. Trinitron9 need another radio clean out. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling.
Trinitron9, here comes the radio cleaner. Hey, Trinitron9, here comes the radio cleaner. Trinitron9, Dr. Good News, one more time. Do you hear me?
And I appreciate it, Dr. Good News. You keep cleaning it out. Hey, Dr. Good News, you keep cleaning it out, man. Hey, Dr. Good News, you got some good conditions coming back to Coney Island, man. You keep cleaning up my radio. Hey, Dr. Good News, one more time, one more time, one more time. Dr. Good News, Trinitron9, riding my wave and walking on all my water.
Okay, man, one more time, or many times you want to, if you do it that way, no doubt about it, man. Hey, Trinitron9, all I had to do is just bump this cosmic itself up a little bit, man, and come around and look in your cosmic eyeball, no doubt about it. Take care, many blessings, Trinitron9, Dr. Good News in the Gateway City, getting on up.
All by yourself, Dr. Good News, all by yourself, all by yourself. Hey, Dr. Good News, you all by yourself, man. Keep up the good work till we do it again. Keep God first. Hey, Dr. Good News, do what you're doing, but make sure you keep God first. That's what it's all about. Hey, Dr. Good News, take care till we do it again. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling. The man with all that bread and the man with all that water said bye-bye-bye.
For me to do it, man, he is number one, no doubt about that. Hey, Trinitron9, yes, sir, he is first. Take care of a friend, Trinitron9, bye-bye-bye.
Got it all, got it all, got it all. Bye-bye, bye-bye-bye. Who else gonna get up in my Coney Island water before I get out of here? Who else gonna break bread and ride the wave before I get out of here? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9 riding my wave and walking on all my water. Who else gonna put it where I can get it before I go back to the boardwalk? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9 riding my Coney Island wave and I got all the way down.
Well, you got up. weekend. Hey, thanks, man. Go.
I'm going back to the boardwalk. I'm going to sit on the dock of the bay and watch the ships go by, eat another piece of bread. I'm not going to be in here ghost talking and cross talking, so let me just ride the next wave back to the boardwalk, and I'll catch y'all on the next wave of the Coney Island. I'll catch y'all on the next wave of the Coney Island. Trinitron9, Coney Island, the man with all that bread and the man with all that water. Said bye, 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 bye.
Hey, Trinitron9 out 355 always say corner piece, corner piece, corner piece. Hey, Trinitron9 out 355 always say he want the corner piece, but I take the rest of it, no doubt about it. Trinitron9, Dr. Good News, getting on up.
That's what he always say. Hey, that's what he always say. He always want the corner piece. You said you take the rest. Hey, you said he always want the corner piece and you take the rest. And now I don't know if that was 355 before you keyed up, but I heard somebody saying corner piece, corner piece. Hey, 355, that was you. I'm gonna say good morning, good morning, good morning. Hey, 355, if that was you on my Coney Island radio, good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling.
Showing those
Well, I don't know if that was 355 or not. Trinitron9 don't know if that was 355 or not. I just know what Dr. Good News said. Yeah, Trinitron9, Coney Island, working my way back to the boardwalk. I'm working my way back to the boardwalk. The man with all that bread and the man with all that water in Coney Island getting down.
You got mine sold up also. Grab the 21. That's a sweet thing calling. I'll be right back. You think you heard that got me about 9 people reading the mail, JR? Hey, JR, do you think he'll be reading the mail and not beating up on this guy making biscuit chopper? What's wrong with you, JR? Dr. Kenny James getting on.
Y'all gonna have to do something with Dr. Good News. Y'all gonna have to do something with Dr. Good News if you want to get it back to the D waters of Coney Island. Y'all are gonna have to do something with Dr. Good News if you want to get it back to the D waters of Coney Island, because he got his mind made up this morning. Dr. Good News got his mind made up this morning. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling.
Voltaire, man, you sounding real good coming out of the west side of the stone. Stick up kid. Dr. Good News just got down.
Hey, Dr. Good News, let your people go. Hey, Dr. Good News, let your people go. Hey, Dr. Good News, let your people go. Trinitron9 on the boardwalk got all the way down.
Don't fool with that. Hey, stick up kid, whatever you do, don't fool with that. Got me talking about that just two people. Don't fool with here, stick up kid. Take care, my friend. I'm getting on out of here. Bye.
I see stick up kid got that stick all up in Dr. Good News ear hole. I see stick up kid got that stick all up and down Dr. Good News ear hole. Yeah, Trinitron9, Coney Island, want to know who else going to get it back to the water. Trinitron9, Coney Island, I want to know who else going to get it back in my water while I sit on the boardwalk. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Trinitron9, rocking and rolling, rocking and rolling.
That's a place to be in the kiddo. Take care, stick up kid. Bye.
Let your people go. Dr. Good News, let your people go. Hey, Dr. Good News, let your people go. Hello, Dr. Good News, let your people go. Trinitron9 on the boardwalk got down.
No shit. Go catch them kind of making music. Take care, stick up kid. I'm playing gone.
I see Stick Up Kid got that direct connect. I see Stick Up Kid got that direct connect with Dr. Good News. I'm sitting here in the boardwalk trying to get a radio clean out. Trinitron9 on the boardwalk, and I'm trying to get another radio clean out. What y'all gonna do with Dr. Good News? What y'all gonna do with Dr. Good News while I try to get another Coney Island radio clean out? Good morning on the band, good morning. Trinitron9 on the boardwalk, and I got all the way down. see somebody trying to put that hammer on me. I see somebody trying to put that hammer on Trinitron9 while I sit on the dock of the bay. I see somebody trying to put that hammer on me while I sit out here in the dock of the bay in Coney Island eating this bread. I'm going to say good morning, good morning, good morning. You're Trinitron9, the man with all that bread and the man with all that water. Got down?
Hey, Trinitron, who you talking to? Hey, Trinitron9, who you talking to? Dr. Good News or no? It got bigger this morning. Break, break.
Hey, Dr. Good News, you got me looking at my CV like a TV. Hey, Dr. Good News, you got Trinitron9 looking at my CB like a TV. It's all good. Take care, Dr. Good News. We'll do it again when we can. Trinitron9, the man in the deep waters of Coney Island, said bye, bye, bye.
Let me get on out here and do something constructive. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Something constructive. Constructive. Shucks, I just don't know what yet. And I'm getting on up.
Bye, Dr. Good News. Bye, Dr. Good News. Waving it to the band. I'm getting ready to go back in the house. Take it, Dr. Good News. Waving it to the band. I'm getting ready to go back in the house. You're Trinitron9 sitting on the dock of the bay. Trinitron9, Coney Island on the dock of the bay. And I got all the way down.
Behave himself. You gonna make him behave himself. You sure did. You did just what you said you gonna do. And you did. Hey, stick up kid. Break. You did your job. Break up.
I said y'all gonna have to do something with Dr. Good News if you want to get it back to Coney Island. Y'all are gonna have to do something with Dr. Good News if y'all want to get it back to Coney Island. He got my ear hole out here. Good morning on the band. Good morning. Well, I try to get back in the 20. I'm trying to get back in the 20. Trinitron9, Coney Island, still sitting on the dock of the bay, and I got all the way down.
And then I'm gonna scat, man, because some of these big boys might wake up. Take care of my friends. Stick up kids. Dr. Good News running away. Bye, bye, bye.
Shame on the mayor, shame on the mayor. I don't know if 355 was out here or not a little earlier ago. I don't know if that 355 was out here a little earlier ago when Dr. Good News made reference to the corner piece. I heard somebody say corner piece, but I don't know if that was 355 or not. I only heard it one time. I'm going back in the house. I'll catch you when I can. I'm going back in the house. Trinitron9, Coney Island, rocking and rolling. And I got all the way down.
I don't know what it's doing there because, man, I don't dance in no other kind of music. Hey, stick up kid, I don't dance in no other kind of music. I don't know what it's trying to do there. Protein!